Hello, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I'm a senior customer success coach at Bright MLS, and I'm happy to be here with you today to show you how to set up your Market Watch. So, the Market Watch is right one of these widgets here as soon as you log into your workspace page. This is a great snapshot of what's happening in your market. So, it's a great way to keep up with what's happening in the market in which you work in. The first thing we're going to do is in the upper right-hand corner of our Market Watch widget, we are going to click on Manage. And from there, you can enter as much criteria as you like. I like to keep it pretty broad so that I can see everything that's happening in my market. So I'm going to come up to Structure Type. I'm going to click on Detached. I am going to scroll down to the bottom and hit the Shift button and click Other. That way I have all structure types. I am then going to come down and I am going to populate a county that I work in. You can enter multiple counties if you like. I'm just going to do one and then save it. From there, you can see your Market Watch here. You can also click on the Bright logo at the top, and it will take you back to your workspace page. So from here, we can then change our property type. So we want to look at residential, and we can also change the time frame. So we can look at the last 24 hours, today, a 3-day, or a 7-day period. So if we want to look at everything that's happened in the last 24 hours in residential, we can see the numbers here corresponding with the activity. And if we want to look at this, we'll just click on the status. So new active, I have one new listing. Again, the Bright logo takes you back to your workspace. Let's change this and look at the last 3 days to give us a little bit more information. So here you can see those numbers will change. So maybe I want to look and see what price changes have happened in the last 3 days. We can click that and then we'll go in and we can see what's happened in our market as far as price changes in the last 3 days. So once again, this is a quick, easy way to be able to catch a really quick glimpse of what's happening in your market, and you can keep an eye on that market. Thanks for tuning in with me today and have a great day.